Microwave is a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter, corresponding to frequencies between 300 megahertz and 300 gigahertz. They come from the sun. Microwaves are good for transmitting information from one place to another. Because microwaves energy can penetrate haze, light, rain, and snow clouds, and smoke, shorter microwaves are used in remote sensing. These microwaves are used for radars, like the Doppler radar used in weather forecasts. Microwaves used for radar are just a few inches long. This microwave tower can transmit information like a telephone calls and computer data from one city to another. That's all.